Your gearbox makes a click-clack sound right after you installed a new motor. Know what 80% of people get wrong from the start? Most jump straight to thinking the gears are damaged, but the real issue is often not the gears. It's the fit clearance between the motor shaft and the gearbox input bore. If you force it tight, at best you get noise and vibration. At worst, you burn out the bearings. What you really need to do is remeasure and fine-tune the shims to get the motor and gearbox perfectly concentric. If you've ever had a new motor, same problem situation, DM me and I'll help you with a custom solution.